Below zero weather causing some major damage to the SCLO Center Region Library and State College. A broken water pipe destroyed about $35,000 worth of books. Erin Calandra is in State College with more on this. Erin?
Marty, the library is closed while crews are trying to fix the problem. The broken pipe is in the ceiling of the second floor. That's the adult section, but it's leaked all the way down to the first floor into the community room, and it has caused some extensive damage. Water is still pouring, dripping, and seeping into the second floor of the SCLO Center Region Library.
When I arrived, there was enough water here that it was pooled and reflecting the ceiling.
Temperatures in the negative digits Sunday night froze a water pipe in the sprinkler system, causing it to burst, sending oily, dirty water throughout the bookshelves.
That frozen piping put pressure on the sprinkler head. It popped, and then it released a lot of water in the adult biography section.
The damage is extensive, about the length of a youth soccer field, leaking from the second floor down to the first.
It does extend through our biographies, our books on tape, a little bit into our young adult section.
Employees are quickly going through thousands of books, looking for any signs of water damage.
Each one has to be assessed to make sure it's not even a little damp, because any moisture in the books can cause problems like mold. And they have to be out of the building as fast as possible to get the humidity in the air down to dry everything.
So far, more than 1,500 books have been tossed out.
I'm sure that there are some really good things in there that are no longer in print that we had to toss.
And several children's toys are ruined. Officials estimate about $35,000 of damage in books alone. They do have insurance, but Library Director Kathy Alloway is concerned.
I mean, one of my concerns is that the insurance may not necessarily provide the replacement cost of these new books.
SCLO is closed while crews are trying to dry up and repair the problems. They hope to be back open by Wednesday morning. Now, this is a library that's already been hit hard with budget cuts. You may remember last May they staged a week-long shutdown just to make ends meet, and now they say this water damage may set them back way further financially than they ever expected. So officials say they will be setting up a fund to help replace some of these materials. And again, the library will be closed until Wednesday morning at the earliest. They say they may be closed even further into the week. They say in that time, no books or other materials are due. Live in State College, Erin Calandra, 6 News.